In front of me is REALME C63 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Users and Accounts. Then hit Google. Tap on Google Password Manager and select any password to check. Enter your screen lock and tap on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!